Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Take a ride in the 2020 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light, tachometer.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.